So hello YouTube friends. This is supposed to be the tallest building in Angelic City. Now I'm not 100% sure of that, but that's what the one of the waitresses told us. So we're on the 16th floor, and I'll just give you a little bird's eye view. Angelic City at night. That would be towards Walking Street. Here's the Candy Towers. There's a few different Candy Towers right here. I'll stroll around here. Say hey, Johnny.
Johnny Subic. Hello, everyone.
That's my buddy Johnny. We went swimming and out to get some fish tacos. Angelic City in the night. We had a big lightning storm here. Lightning and thunder. Over there's the ABC Hotel. There's the SM, and down that way is Walking Street. So, a little bird's eye view of Angelic City at night from the tallest building in Angelic City. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.